everyone. Welcome to the Advantech webinar, Building an AIoT Future with What's Past DeviceOn and the AI Solution. AIoT has been a hot topic recently. According to the market research, the global AIoT solutions market is expected to expand at an impressive CAGR of 48% from this year to 2026. People are looking for the benefits of digital conversion in various fields. However, what are the key elements in bringing enterprise to the AIoT era? In today's webinar, our Advantech experts are going to explore innovative AIoT solutions, which bring our customers beyond the AIoT competition. During the webinar, feel free to address questions via chat box. Also, remember to stay with us till the end, as we will provide a What's Past DeviceOn free trial exclusively for today's participants. First, let's start from our Advantech AE Maverick to introduce our weapon, What's Past DeviceOn, the AIoT device operation management platform.
Hello everyone, I'm AE Maverick from the AIoT department. Today, I will be introducing Advantech's What's Past DeviceOn as the key for IoT solution enablement. Within the IoT era, there are hundreds of thousands of devices that are deployed and spread over multiple sites. We have received a lot of questions from our customers about how to monitor, track, and manage those connected devices remotely. DeviceOn is an easy-to-use IoT device management solution designed for industry PCs. Advantech DeviceOn makes it easier than ever to onboard, virtualize, operate, and manage your industry IoT devices. A simple out-of-the-box solution, you can monitor device health status, take real-time actions to power on/off, troubleshoot problems, and send software and firmware update over the air, all from a single console and regardless of device type. DeviceOn reduces the upfront cost and the time associated with the large-scale devices, onboarding and provisioning, so you can manage all your devices from a single location. DeviceOn is a ready-to-use application that helps the organization manage all their devices alone and real-time action to assist the customer to do the bulk device management. DeviceOn offers a very easy-to-use and secure solution that helps simplify device operation and leads to uninterrupted services. Every time a technician needs to investigate an issue and fix it means downtime for a particular device, often up to several hours. A reaction approach to device error and issues also makes operation more complex. All IoT-related business require close interaction between the people, devices, and the solutions. All IoT-related business require close interaction between the people, devices, and the solutions. Soon, our full-range system and boards will comprehensively bundle with the DeviceOn, launch IoT application and solutions through the flow standing and business transformation. This is a What's Past DeviceOn, which is a ready-to-use application designed for industry PC operation management, providing a remote virtualized health monitor and real-time control. It's fast and easy for large scale of device onboarding and operation management. It also offers remote delivery and update through the OTA for software and field configuration. DeviceOn is suitable for various vertical applications and is especially focused on the management and the maintenance of important equipment. For example, there are many POS machines, kiosks, and the signage system in the retail field. In the semiconductor and equipment manufacturing, there are lots of important manufacturing control process at IPC or vehicle management system. In transportation, in smart city, there's a lot of there's a lot of industry computer increment provide important application service. This field requires a device management application to track, control, and manage distributed machines to ensure providing a normal and healthy service without interruption. If you have any questions, you can contact the relevant people in charge of DeviceOn here. BDM is Sam Zhou, PM is Ryzen Ye, AE is Maverick Liu. If you want to know more product information, you can also find more about the DeviceOn by scanning this QR code. And now, we will show you a short video about the DeviceOn instant onboarding. Hello everyone, I'm AIoT Department AE Maverick. Today I will introduce DeviceOn instant onboarding steps. First, check the device-related plug is connected before boarding. Tap the power to start. All devices currently shipping by AIoT will bundle voice agent. The device system is already starting up. The voice agent will be started after the system starts and will automatically connect to the DeviceOn system. Turn on the QR code scanner and scan the QR code on the screen. Open the DeviceOn system link. The screen shows that the device has been successfully connected. Click on the device name. You can view device information. Swipe to the view others information. Click on the device monitoring. View the CPU, memory, network, hard disk resource, information, etc. View system event and network traffic information. Click the app to view the application program usage record. Perform remote control of the device. Capture the following screen. Slide for the volume control. Slide for the brightness control. View other features. View device resource rankings. View account manager related information. View system related information. View settings related information. View OTA online update information. Finally, show the online power off function. Click the power off button to perform the power off. DeviceOn related product file information. It was passed on slide. Currently, DeviceOn offers YouTube online video sharing and sales marketing material. We will share with you after webinar. Thank you for your listening to my presentation.
Thank you, Maverick. Now we have WISE-PaaS DeviceOn to comprehensively enhance the management efficiency of IoT terminal devices through a simple, optimized interface. We just need one more thing, the embedded platform that can work with this value-added software to implement into different fields. So let me invite our embedded experts, Sean, to introduce our latest embedded innovations.
Hi everyone, this is Sean. Let's thank Maverick once again for his amazing introduction of Advantech DeviceOn. I would like to summarize the 4 features of DeviceOn which is a software OTA, security, remote monitoring, and notifications. One more point is all the embedded solutions will be equipped with DeviceOn as a standard package. Following on, I'd like to give you some ideas of our core business in the embedded group. For your reference, we had more than 100 design cases for IoT applications in 2018. Most of our successful cases are from surveillance, robotic arms, self-service system, parking solutions, and so on. Among our case studies, more than 60% of them are by Advantech embedded box PC systems. More and more customers are taking Advantech PC solutions instead of taking only the motherboard to design their outer chassis by themselves, because Advantech box PC are now getting more and more flexible, including the idle and expansion modules, which can be adapted in different kinds of using scenarios. So let's take a look at ARC solution, which is the major product line of embedded group. We have 3 different series, from a compact size to bigger size with a different functionality and flexibility for expansion. For ARC 1000 series at the bottom, we are developing a new model with steam rail, which is suitable for automation usage. For ARC 2000 series in the middle, we make the height of the chassis 24% lower than the previous one in order to fit in more compact size systems. In terms of ARC 3000 series, we are developing a new model with a graphic card to support AI solutions. This page is to show our modules available for box PC. These are 3 types of them. First one on the left is the idle module, which can support USB, LAN, CAN bus function, and so on. The second one in the middle is an expansion module called ARC Plus for the second layer design. It also supports various functions according to your requirement. The third one is on the right, which is the VEGA series for AI solutions. Let's look at the roadmap for 2019. In the first half, we developed 3 models, including the entry-level Apollo-like solutions for ARC 1000 series and ARC 2250L as a reversion to make it more compact size, as well as ARC AI 300 for 7th generation Xeon Core i solution, also equipped with a graphic card engine for AI solution. In the second half, we are planning to develop Whiskey Leg, which is an 8th generation CPU, and Coffee Leg refresh for the 9th generation model. Please notice the mobile Whiskey Leg is only for U series CPU, the ultra low voltage SKU. In terms of a signage box, we have designed a new model called DS100 for RIG solution with Android-based OS system. Also, it supports up to 4K resolution. If a customer is looking for extremely cost-effective models, it will be a good solution to be proposed. For our signage box, not only DeviceOn will be installed as standard package, as we just mentioned, but also we will install signage content management software, which is called the CMS, with free of charge. Whenever you purchase the DS solution from us, we directly install the CMS at the client PC itself, and also we will offer you another CMS for server usage. Our CMS is an user-friendly software. As you can see, we can just simply select the template, edit the content, select color theme, and get it done. For any software, easy to use will be the most important factor to the customers, and we did our best to design as friendly as possible. Following on, we'd like to share the information of our display solutions. These are two major products that we would like to highlight. The first one is DSD7065, which is a 65-inch monitor equipped with DS200, which is the SDM platform PC. Everybody knows OPS platform, and SDM is a new generation platform which Intel is promoting now. Both of them are with similar concept to insert a PC from the back of the display. And the second model on the bottom side is IDS3221. The unique feature of this model is the waterproof, dustproof, wide temperature, and also smart backlight dimming depends on the sunlight. So it is perfectly suitable for drive-through display panel. For the last session, I would like to talk about the peripheral modules. Please kindly notice that no matter which application your customer is engaging, SQ solution will be the best product to open new business cooperation because the customer always need RAM and storage, no exceptions. For RAM, we have a unique design which is suitable to resist the shock and vibration. As you can see, we enlarge the PCB sizes and also design 2 screw holes on the top to fix in the system. This design is absolutely suitable for harsh environment usage such as defense system, rolling stock, and so on. To make a long story short, Advantech SQ series products have several unique features such as lock-borne, long life cycle, encryption, power protection, and also we have dedicated AE to support this product line. I highly suggest you to use a SQ solution to your customers and also open new business opportunities in the market. This is the presentation for the embedded solutions update. If there is any question, we have a Q&A section at the end of our webinar today. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Sean. Advantech offers a full range offering from embedded boards to systems, which can bundle with DeviceOn. With the strong capabilities of embedded solutions, Advantech recently launched Edge AI solution to help accelerate computer vision and deep learning inference on the edge. Now, let's invite our application engineer, Qing Yuan, to introduce more about the Edge AI solutions.
Hello everyone, this is Qing Yuan. I'm application engineer for the MEA region. And today I'm really glad to be here to share our Edge AI solution with you guys. We have an edge computer right here, and I'm now holding our newest product, the Edge AI module with VEGA 320 and VEGA 330. And you might be curious about what Edge AI is and what exactly these Edge AI modules can do. So let me give you an example. Previously, we took photos from cameras at the edge. Then we upload those photos to the cloud, to the server to do vision analysis, image processing, those AI stuff. And it costs a lot of data transferring power and time. And now we want to bring all these things back to the edge. With these two Edge AI modules, they make the planned edge computer able to do the AI inference by itself. I would say, Edge AI module opened the eyes of edge computer, and this is the very first time for our edge computer to see the world. We are now having M.2 and Mini PCIe interface Edge AI modules. The M.2 interface one is VEGA 320, and the Mini PCIe interface one is VEGA 330. Also, we are still developing more powerful modules with different interfaces, like PCIe by 4 and FPGA cards. Carrying one VPU chip only, VEGA 320 is the elementary version of the Edge AI module, which is using M.2 A plus E key and taking both Mini PCIe and USB signals. Carrying two VPU chips, VEGA 330 is the intermediate level Edge AI module. using mini PCIe interface and also taking both mini PCIe and USB signal. This table shows the target applications for our VEGA series. For VEGA 320, it can be used in fields like robotics, drones, and interactive kiosk. And for VEGA 330, it can be used in the field with heavier loading like traffic monitoring and also interactive kiosk. Here is one of our application story, smart checkout for retail. We use edge computer with the edge AI module and connect it to a camera, an interactive POS, and a payment system. The edge computer can recognize products through the camera and help customers to do the self-checkout. In this way, the retail store can reduce manpower resources, allowing the staff to devote themselves to higher value services. This is the VPU we use for our VEGA module, Intel Myriad X. It's the third generation VPU from Intel. VPU stands for Vision Processing Unit. Different from CPU, GPU, they can handle several different kinds of tasks. VPU only do one thing, vision processing. And that's the reason why it can be so focused and has high efficiency. Besides VEGA hardware, we also have ready-to-use software for you to quickly experience the power of Edge AI. I'm now going to demo this Edge computer and Edge AI module with our value-adding software, Edge AI Suite. And I would like to invite Sherry to do demo with me. Let's welcome Sherry!
Hello, hi. So before we start, Junior, what's the main feature for the Edge AI Suite?
Edge AI Suite has three main functions: Quick Start, Model Launcher, and System Monitoring. In Quick Start, we have three different applications right here. Let's try facial detection first. So I choose facial detection and confirm the information. For input sources, I can choose video or live camera. Let's choose the camera here. And for the demo part, we can choose to run this AI program on either CPU, GPU, or VPU. And let's choose VPU here since it's our subject today. So now you can see this AI program model recognize our faces and mark out our gender, age, emotion, and head pose as well. Okay, let's try some other application. Let's try person detection this time. So now you can see I choose the camera input as well, and we also run it on VPU. And this program, the AI model can recognize the object, the person, like how many percentage it is. So the 1.00 means like it is 100% a person, a human beings. Then we go to the last function. The human pose estimation. And for this human pose estimation, I will choose video as an input. And this time we run on CPU. And you can see the poses are estimated by the program. The second function, Model Launcher, can help you easily translate and optimize your own AI program and make it run on our hardware by simply clicking. So now we support some different AI framework. For example, TensorFlow, Caffe, and Onyx. For example, I choose a model here and click Translate. And it would take some time for translating, so I did this translating first already. And after translating, you can click Inference. Then it will run this AI program on our VPU. So I can choose ambulance, it will do the image classification and recognize how many percentage it is as ambulance. So in this way, you can run your own model on our VPU without extra effort. Okay, then the last function is hardware monitoring. This is pretty simple. You can see all the hardware status of CPU, GPU, and VPU, and even the memory. Also, you can even run the benchmark to compare these different processing units if you want. So I think this is pretty much all the information I would like to share with you guys about our new Edge AI module today. I hope you do enjoy this section, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
So thank you, Chinyan's showcase, for giving us a better idea for our Edge AI solutions. So if you have any questions for today's topic, please feel free to address it via chat box or contact our Advantech experts for additional information. That's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.